Hey everyone, it's Ukulele Teacher here, and in today's lesson I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play Location on the Ukulele by Khalid. As usual, make sure that your ukulele is in standard tuning, G, C, E, A, and let's get on with the tutorial. These are the 4 chords that you'll need for the tutorial. If you already know these chords, that is awesome. We can skip to a later portion of the video for strumming pattern and chord progression. Let's get on with the tutorial. The first chord that you'll need is an F. This is second finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string and first finger on the 1st fret of the 3rd string. The second chord is an E7. This is first finger on the 1st fret of the 1st string, second finger on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string, and third finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. The third chord is an A. This is second finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. And our last chord is a D. This is first finger on the 1st fret of the 3rd string, second finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string, and third finger on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string. Moving on to strumming pattern, the strumming pattern for this song is down, pause, up, tap, pause, down, pause, up, tap, pause, down, pause, up, tap, pause, down, pause, up, tap. Moving on to chord progression, the chord progression is F for 4 beats, E7 for 4 beats, A for 4 beats, and D for 4 beats. Putting it with the first chord with the strumming pattern, it should sound like this. Putting off all the chords, it should sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. As usual, I will have the lyrics down here. If you want to sing or play along, feel free to do whichever one you want to do. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Please make sure to comment down below some other songs that you want to see, and to like the video, and to hit that subscribe button, please. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.